Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I don't really know exactly where this footage is going to be in the vlog per se, but yeah. So today is April. Ooh, wait, today is not April. Today is July 3rd, one day before Independence Day for the Americas. So yeah, anyway. My grandma and my Aunt Nicole are here in town. I'm so thrilled. I'm so excited for them to be here. Today, actually, I was supposed to have class today, but because of the holiday, they did hybrid asynchronous type of lecture assignments or whatever. I haven't really did those yet, but I figured I'd just kind of get my grandma and my aunt out and about just for a moment, and then later on today I'll go ahead and finish up working on my homework or whatever. So my Aunt Nicole was all like, your grandma wants to just get out and get some souvenirs, and I'm like, souvenirs? Like, I don't know where to go to get souvenirs. But there's this little area, or this next town over, called Fernandina in Amelia Island, so I figured I'd just take them out there. Lighting's terrible in my apartment. I've said that several vlogs before. So I just have like a black tank top, a very light, very thin cardigan from H&M. I have these American Eagle shorts. And then I guess I end up deciding wearing my Tory Burch slides. I might take my panda dunks in the car just in case I decide to change my mind there. But this is essentially the fit. Ain't nothing special, honestly. Yeah, and then like I got earrings. These are from Coach Outlet. This cute little necklace set. And then I just got like my engagement ring or whatever. And yeah, so yeah guys. We're gonna go see my grandma and we're gonna go see my Aunt Nicole. Yes, this makes my heart so happy. I'm so excited.
Knocking like a little baby. I couldn't hear anything. Oh my God.
Got everybody in. Look at them there.
We got Jeremy in there.
Yes, say welcome to the YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. No, and that's okay. Oh my God.
I like that too. I hear you boys. Hey, how you doing? You doing okay? The family.
That's fine. And I know you're in your own world. That's okay. Look at the man you can get to. Oh my goodness. I love it. Let freedom ring. Let the whole world sing.
How it was supposed to be. I thought it was stuck. I was like,
I thought it was gonna go up. That's what it is.
I thought it was stuck. I was like,
I thought it was gonna go up.